And welcome back to another video guide on how to configure your router for your Simply broadband connection. In this video, we'll be going over the Link DSL 2900 AL. More specifically, we'll be going over how to access QoS and firewall settings. So first things first, as per usual, we're going to head over to our web browser and we're going to go into the address bar and type in our gateway to get into our admin panel. 192.168.1.1 and we press enter. It's going to want you to sign in, so chuck your admin password in there and then you're in. So from the home page, to access QoS and firewall settings, we want to head over to features, and as you can see, the first two options are QoS engine and firewall. So we're going to click on QoS engine, and as you can see here underneath features QoS engine, you have connected clients, which is showing my computer right now, and we have our priority boxes below here. Now, of course, the highest priority is what's going to get prioritized first and have more resources available for it, and the medium priority will obviously be prioritized last. So if you could imagine, we have a few more clients connected to this device. Say this is a really important computer, I do all my work on it, we want that one set to the highest priority. And say we have a tablet that is purely used for watching videos or watching Netflix or anything like that, we would drag that one into, say, medium or high, because this is the one that we need to have the most resources available for. Of course, if you've set any of these priorities for your connected clients, you definitely want to click save before you change it, before you move to any other settings. So click save and that will save your priority list. Next, we're going to move to firewall, which again, head over to features and click on firewall. As you can see here, there are a few options that you can enable, and you've got one option that you can disable by default, and that one is the enable SPI IPv4. That is telling us that our firewall is enabled. And so we recommend very heavily that you don't change any of these options from what their defaults are, as playing with the firewall settings could either cause problems for your connection in the future, or it could potentially fully cut your connection off. Same thing with these advanced settings down here. Unless we've told you to change something, just leave them alone at defaults. Or if you're quite experienced with network configuration, then maybe go ahead, but for the stock standard user, don't touch anything here. And so if we had changed anything, like enable DMZ for example, if we wanted to save that, we would have to click save. But I'm going to disable that one because we don't need anything like that. And as you can see here, next to save, we have IPv6 rules and IPv4 rules. So we'll click on IPv4 rules, and this is where you can actually create a list of rules. So as you can see here, we have turn IPv4 filtering on and deny the rules listed. So any rule that we make, it's going to deny this one for IPv4. And if you click on that, you can see we can turn filtering off, we can turn filtering on and allow the rules listed instead of denying them. And if you need to add a rule, you're just going to click that button and enter all the information that you can and click apply. Make sure once you've clicked apply and you've set it to the correct filtering that you want, that you hit save. Always hit save. And if we jump over to IPv6 rules really quickly, it's exactly the same. So same thing for IPv4 and for IPv6, and then click save. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching.
Huh? Simply reset it.